Okay, so we have the $400,000 IRA, and these folks are going to need income when, not if, when one of them passes away. So here are two options they might want to consider. Again, don't rush out and do this. If you have a similar situation like this, please contact us and let me sit down and go over this in person. Okay, option one thing they could do is take some of that money and purchase an annuity, preferably one that provides
Mailbox Money.
So why would you do this? Well, let's think about this. Let's imagine we took, it doesn't matter, we're just pulling numbers out of the air for now, but let's say we put $250,000 of this in a Mailbox Money type annuity. Now, we're not going to draw the income yet. We'll work on the minimum distributions at 73, and we'll take all the money out from our Schwab. Basically, this is what we call the Split IRA. In fact, Aaron, let's put this up full screen. So when we do the Split IRA concept, in many cases, we're letting that Mailbox Money account sit out there and wait to be appropriated and infused into the income when it's needed. In this case, what we're going to do is hold off using it just in case that one spouse dies, so that we can try as best we can to fill the gap. So what's going to happen, let's say the death occurs, in 7 years or something, okay? Loses, the Social Security goes down and the pension goes down, and then that's when, depending on their age, depending on the amount of money, they're different for different people, we can run you these numbers, that's when we'll start the Mailbox Money. So now what happens is that other spouse is comforted by the fact of knowing that if either of them passes away, it can be used for either spouse, we'll have that guaranteed lifetime income that only annuities can provide. Folks, this is why Wall Street hates these products. These are one-time commissionable products. We don't make recurring fees on these, and they are the only type of product that can guarantee you'll never run out of money. So the next time you hear somebody dogging annuities, you got to understand these people are not working for savers. These are investors and speculators. They have no clue what a saver's worried about. And that's why we work with savers at Tony Walker Financial. Okay, we got another option here. The other option is you might say, well, I don't want to purchase an annuity, Tony, and we're in good health, and I don't mind spending some money on what? That's right, one of the most tried and true policies known to man. And what I love about life insurance is it provides tax-free, cold, hard cash. So in this example, what we do, we siphon off a little bit of that money. Maybe we have everything with Charles Schwab, maybe we don't. We control all this money, keep your taxes down, right? Because you don't need a lot of income right now. We purchase life insurance so that when the spouse passes away, we have this infusion, large amount of tax-free life insurance that we can then manage to replace the assets that the other surviving spouse is going to lose. So folks, I don't know about you, but you have so many options available. The problem is most of you don't think this is ever going to happen. You procrastinate. Maybe the advisor says don't worry about it because they don't know what the heck they're doing when it comes to planning for that surviving spouse. Why don't you do this right now? Take control of your money and your future. Contact us right now at TonyWalkerFinancial.com. You're going to click on that Let's Get Started button. And what we like to do is start off with what we call the free 10-minute fiduciary phone call where I'll ask you a few questions. And then if it warrants, we will be happy to meet with you at either our Bowling Green, Louisville, or Lexington, Kentucky offices. Do it now, or you can even just call the toll-free number on your screen.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed that video. If you'd like, check out these other clips. And be sure to hit that like button and that subscribe button for more videos.